What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Victoria, and today we got another unboxing. So what I have here are two big bags, and where's my little trusty opener? Let's see. That was easy. Buying it and shopping is the hard part. Putting together outfits that you think look good on the model, and then when you get in, it's like, that's not cool. So let's see. Actually, we'll open the other bag too. So we got, oh, this, whoa, I was gonna say I have something super similar to this. Okay, there's like a lot of little odd ends in here. So, all right. So, I got some sunglasses. Let me put this stuff down. Let's get through this. So what do we got? Oh my goodness. I did not know this was so shiny, you guys. Oh my god. Alright, I got a bowl to soak my nails in. I also got these two spongies for makeup, because they have like a Shein makeup challenge. I got these nail scrubbers. I also got some nail stickers. I'm gonna open these. I'm not gonna show you yet. They're gonna go on my little cosplay girl. You can barely see them. They're kind of like purple, pink in there. I don't want to open them yet, so it's a surprise. I got some socks. I got this nail cutter. I got two phone cases. Oh, this sexy dress. This super silky top. I think it was a two-piece. I think I only got the top though. So I got some cute shorts. Look at these shorts. Yes. So, let's see. I got another pair of those jeans that everyone is wearing. Really, really like these. I like the motto and what she was wearing. Oh, I might have to not fix it, but like, yeah, play with it. So yeah, I really liked what the model was wearing when I picked these jeans out. So let me grab the top that goes with it. The top that I chose was the one that the model was wearing. And it's like a button-up see-through moment. And I think it looks so good with the black bra. Another see-through top that I got was this one. I don't know what it says. Let's see what it says. A. This looks super cute with a nude bodysuit. I also got some hot pink biker shorts that I'm like so in love with. Like, look at this color. Look at this color. Super tan. Super yummy. This is the shirt that I chose. It's like a crop top. Red. And I got size XL because I didn't want it to be like a super crop top, but it is. And then I got this one as well because I didn't know which one would have looked better for my Impala girl. Oh, this is a 0XL. I love the heart. That one's like really short. I don't know. Look at him. Oh my gosh, this top is so cute. I was so excited for this top. It's another clear see-through top mesh. It feels so comfy too. And one more thing, I got this dress. Cool, it's not even so pretty. Alright you guys, that completes my little haul that I got from Shein for the spring and the summer. I really enjoyed the items that I purchased from Shein. Remember, you can download the app and there's always tons of discounts on Shein, and there's tons of like buy one get one for like $1. There's lots of stuff, lots of cute stuff that you can find on Shein for all types of seasons. To be honest, like I love shopping every single season. I think it's so cute. All the accessories are really cute, and I'm so happy that I finished my completed little cosplay skater girl on Shein, so I cannot wait to put her together for you guys. So if you're interested in how my cosplay girl turns out, make sure you like this video and subscribe so you don't miss another video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.